University. I'm extremely pleased to be a part of the project which recently been announced by AGC that was related to enhancement of textile exports by product diversification, and at the same time we have to build capacity. So we are working on one of the project part which is WP4, and this project is especially related to the man-made fibers. We are working on the transformation of the industry towards man-made fiber because we know that most of the industries working in Pakistan, they achieve material is cotton. And at the same time, if you look at the international trend, so most of the product which international market really want to have, they want man-made fibers. So if you look at the contribution of man-made to the fiber, we can see that it's almost opposite. Internationally, it's around 65% man-made fiber and rest is cotton. But if you look at Pakistan industry, so it's around 65% cotton, even more than 65% cotton, rest is man-made fiber. We have chosen this particular task, which is related to transformation to man-made fiber. Especially this will be focused on sportswear industry, and at the same time the valuation of knitted textiles. Why we have selected a sports industry? Well, because main consumption of man-made fiber, if we can look around, it's in the sports sector. But if you look at the contribution, international contribution, if you look at the contribution of Pakistan to the international market, what we can see that it's hardly 0.8% or even less than that. And if you look at our competitors like Bangladesh, India, Cambodia, Turkey, they are on much higher side as far as export of sportswear and quality knitted fabric is concerned. So it's the right time to think about it, to transform our industry on the global scale, to follow the same practices as global practices are there. So that's why we have selected this one. How we are going to do it, who is going to do it, we have a dedicated team for this project. We have Dr. Daud and we have Dr. Bilal Khadir from National Textile University as part of this team. And this team will really work on this sense from yarn manufacturing to the knitted product, and then finally to the value by dyeing, printing and other techniques. So if we succeed, so that would be then we can offer a significant contribution to this sports industry, because although Pakistan is exporting sportswear in 61, 62 category, but they are producing those products which are of low demand, and we are producing it in bulk. So we have to choose those one which is in really high demand, and which we can, I'm sure, with the existing facilities, we can make a difference with it.
Right. So we will start this project by the development of an engineered yarn, which is primarily based on 100% man-made fibers. And then the knitted articles will be produced based on two approaches. The first one is the cut and sew approach, and the second one is the seamless approach. And we will also consider the standard sportswear performance, let's say, characteristics, which would also be included in our developed article, when these properties include like the comfort, the moisture management properties, durability, and some other functionalities. So once the lab prototype is ready, then the pilot studies in the industry will be initiated, considering the fact that this technology will eventually going to be transferred in the industry. So we are expecting to have a significant impact of these findings, especially for the knitting industry, in particular the sportswear industry. So their exports figures could be improved. They could be able to produce the diversified products, and eventually the knitting industry, which has been producing the standard conventional knitted articles, they could be able to produce the high quality performance sportswear. Thank you.
This is all about this particular project. Um, Being one of the consortium university, LED University is one of the oldest institutions recognized for its quality education in terms of engineering and knowledge. We have almost 27 disciplines there. So a number of facilities are available within the university. We can uh, we can use any testing equipment. We can use any facility which is related to this project, if available in the university in any other department. So I'm quite hopeful that this project will definitely bring change to the local industry.